Hey Warm Springs, this is Dane with Warm Springs Holistic Health, and today we're talking about acute healing. So acute healing, it's an injury that just might happen as you're out playing basketball. You turn your ankle and it starts to swell. That's an acute injury that requires some healing, and the body will heal itself, but we can do some things to help push it along. So the old way was RICE. So we had rest, ice, compress, and elevate. Now, while that is good, the healing system requires just a little bit more, we're finding. And so we have this new revised way of healing that adds in optimal loading. So we have I cope here. And so we still have ice, we still have compression, we have optimal loading, which is the biggest change, and we have found through research that the body heals best when it's moving. So optimal loading is going to be pain-free range of motion activities that help flush in nutrients and flush out some of the waste material from the healing process. So say you sprain that ankle, it's going to be ankle pumps and swishing the ankle around, doing some circles, maybe writing out the ABCs with that ankle. Doing those things in a pain-free way can really be an effective way to encourage healing in the body. Then we also have protection and elevate as part of the series. So give these things a try, and this should help you heal better down the way. So thanks for listening.